In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the 5-inch Killer Willow shells by Hog Wild Fireworks. This is a 6-pack of Willow canister shells, and I picked up this particular box for $37.99, which I do not consider to be that great of a price, but these were some that I'd not seen before at a local store, and decided to give them a shot, so we'll see how they perform. And inside the box you get the 6-pack sleeve of canister shells, and you also get this nice HDPE mortar tube, which is very similar to what you get in the Excalibur, the Growlers, and most of the world-class and cutting-edge canister shell kits. So these may be from one of the same factories that world-class and cutting-edge are from as well. So we'll see how these perform. Hog Wild